My name is Rajiv Rupnarayan Singh, Engineering Tech from LSA, ID Departments. Today we are in Glenroy, Princestown. We would have done some road restoration from sub-base and base course material and paving. The entire road was restored. Also some minor drainage. We did a culvert crossing. Basically, there were no culvert crossing here, so all the water used to settle, which caused damages to the road. So we did a culvert crossing, and then we did over the entire road from that point there, go straight up. There's also an extension piece inside here as well that we did. Some areas we had to do some deep patching, where we excavate some areas between 18 inches to 24 inches to remove all that muck and mud. Sometimes you see a vehicle driving and you see the road sponging. That is what we call a deep patch. So we had a lot of that on the roadway as well. So basically what we did for the residents here, this road was really bad and we had to remove all the material that was on the road and restore it with sub-base and base course material.